Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I didn't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive bounce in this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price had dropped all the way down there, and now the price is all the way up there. That is a very nice move, but that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at the 119.50 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen or anything like that, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then just continues on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price all of a sudden having gone right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But also, I mean, to be fair, no price just goes straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as right down there at that green line. In terms of levels of resistance, all eyes going to be on that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it 122.35, and you can see that since the price broke below it, it went right back into acting as resistance right there. So that'll be public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, very, very impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.